Hello class, let's learn science with Teacher Yas. Today, we will learn about solar system. The universe is made up of thousands of millions of galaxies or referred to as nebulae. Our solar system is located in the galaxy called the Milky Way, which contains 100 billion stars. The solar system consists of the Sun, 8 planets, natural satellites or moons, asteroids, meteoroids, and comets which revolve around the Sun. Members of the solar system are the Sun, 8 planets, moon or natural satellite, asteroid, meteoroid, and comet. There are 6 members of the solar system. Let's get to know the first members of the solar system, the Sun. The Sun is the center of the solar system. The Sun is a star. The Sun is the closest star to the Earth. The Sun emits heat and light. The Sun rotates on its axis. Planets are the second member of the solar system. There are 8 planets in the solar system. The sequence of planets in the solar system, starting from the closest to the Sun, are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Each planet revolves around the Sun according to its own orbit. An orbit is the path traversed by each planet orbiting the Sun. Natural satellite or moon are the third member of the solar system. A natural satellite is a body that orbits around another body in space. The moon is a natural satellite of a planet. It moves around the planet. Look at our planet Earth. It has a moon. The moon moves around the Earth. Some planets have more than one moon, and some planets do not have any moon. In the solar system, the Earth rotates around the Sun and the Moon rotates around the Earth. Asteroids. Asteroids are also the member of the solar system. Asteroids are made up of rock and metals that orbit the Sun in groups. Although asteroids orbit the Sun like planets, they are much smaller than planets. There are lots of asteroids in our solar system. Most of them are located in the main asteroid belts, which is a region between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. The fifth member of the solar system are meteoroids. Meteoroids are broken pieces of asteroid. Let's understand the relationship between asteroids, meteoroids, meteors, and meteorites. When asteroids that is located between the planet Mars and Jupiter collides, it will produce a smaller lump of rock called meteoroids. As the meteoroids enter the Earth's atmosphere or another planet at high speed and burn up, it will form the fireballs called meteors. Meteors that hit the Earth will produce craters on the Earth's surface. Meteoroid that survive a trip through the atmosphere and hits the ground is called meteorite. Do you know, class? Meteors, also known as shooting stars, are caused by tiny dust trains entering Earth's atmosphere from space. The Perseid meteor shower occurs every year from about July 23 to August 22, but reach their peak from late midnight August 11 to dawn August 13. You can view meteor showers from anywhere in the world. It doesn't matter what state or country you live in. The best times to watch the Perseids is late at night, in the middle of the night, or pre-dawn. The last member of the solar system is the comet. A comet is a celestial body circling the sun. It is made up of frozen ice, rock, and dust. When a comet's orbit brings it close to the sun, it heats up and spews dust and gases into a giant glowing head larger than most planets. The dust and gases form a tail that stretches away from the sun for millions of miles. That's all for today, class. Thank you for watching and listening. See you again in our next lesson. Bye.